Hello. This short video will focus on understanding the difference between facts and opinions. This will support you in preparing for your Functional Skills Level 1 reading exam. In your reading exam, you will be given 5 statements from a text and asked to identify either 2 facts or 2 opinions. This question is worth 2 marks. First of all, we need to know what a fact is. A fact is something that can be proven to be true. For example, a driving test costs £62 in a working week. We know this is a fact because we could go and look this information up and find out if it is true using the internet or a leaflet from a particular driving test company. Let's look at another example. Ewan is saving up to buy a new laptop. To find out if this is true, we could go and ask Ewan what they are saving up for. You can improve your own writing by using facts. You can support facts in your writing with experts' names, even if they're made up in the exam. And statistics. This will give your writing credibility and show that you've thought about the credibility of your information. However, an opinion is the opposite. An opinion is someone's idea or feeling about something. Opinions can be easily spotted as they usually include an adjective. For example, learning to drive is far too expensive. In this example, expensive is the adjective. While one person may consider the process of learning to drive expensive, there's room to disagree, and another person may consider it to be reasonable. This is how we know it's an opinion. Let's look at another example. It is very, very boring to manage your money. In this sentence, the adjective is boring, and again, there is room for someone to disagree. Not everyone will find managing money boring. In summary, facts are statements that can be proven. The information can be looked up or investigated easily. Whereas opinions refer to someone's thoughts or feelings about something, and the use of adjectives can help us to identify them in sentences. Thanks for watching.